How to enable double tap screen off in Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can enable double tap screen off in Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to your device settings. Once you're on the settings, now scroll down a bit. After that, tap on display. On the display, there is an option for lock screen. Tap on it. On the lock screen, now scroll down a bit and there is one option that says double click on the lock screen. Double click on the blank area of the desktop to turn off this screen and lock the device. So you have to turn on this toggle in order to enable the double tap screen off in your Realme device. After that, you can go back to your home screen and then double tap. Once you double tap, your screen will be off. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.